A mysterious sound emanating from the depths of the Pacific Ocean is unlike anything we've ever heard before. The bloop is the given name of a mysterious underwater sound recorded in 1997. Researchers detected a strange, powerful, and extremely loud sound coming from the ocean's depths, and it seemed to be coming from a much larger animal than any we'd ever seen. It's a mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. What could be the source of the strange and powerful sound known as the bloop? Could it be the cry of a mythical creature, or the sign of something even more sinister lurking in the darkness of the sea? During the Cold War, the US Navy deployed massive arrays of microphones across the world's oceans to listen in on Soviet submarines. Using a phenomenon known as the Deep Sound Channel and a submarine detection system known as the Sound Surveillance System, or SOSUS, we're able to detect even weak sounds from hundreds of miles away. But the SOSUS array didn't just pick up the sounds of submarines. They also caught the noises of whales, volcanic activity, iceberg movement, and all the human-made devices still operating beneath the sea. These sounds all had their own unique sound prints, and it was usually easy to identify where they came from. But every now and then, the Acoustic Monitoring Project detected a sound that couldn't be explained, and the bloop is one of the most terrifying. This strange noise was first detected in 1997, emanating from the depths of the Pacific Ocean about 1,500 miles west of Chile's southern coast. It was so powerful that it could be heard by sensors up to 3,000 miles away, making it one of the most compelling underwater sounds ever recorded. But what could it be? The sound lasted for about a minute, and it has not been heard since. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, has consulted with the Navy and other organizations to rule out human-made sources for this and other mysterious noises. But the truth remains elusive. While some have proposed that the sound could be caused by ice calving, the profile of the bloop more closely resembles that of an animal. But if that's the case, the creature responsible for the bloop would have to be larger than any known organism on Earth. Even the blue whale, which has a record length of about 110 feet, wouldn't be big enough to create a sound as powerful as the bloop. Do you think there's a supergiant whale lurking in the depths of the Pacific? There's no proof of such a creature's existence, and it's hard to imagine that a species that must constantly surface in order to breathe could completely conceal itself. Others believe that the bloop could be the cry of a giant squid, one of the most mysterious creatures of the deep. But if the bloop isn't a giant squid or supergiant whale, what could it be? It's worth noting that the creature responsible for the bloop doesn't have to be any bigger than any other known animal, but it does have to be much more adept at producing low-frequency sounds. While the source of the bloop remains a mystery, some have pointed out that it happens to be located in the same general vicinity as the underwater, extra-dimensional city of Relay, described in H.P. Lovecraft's short story, The Call of Cthulhu. While it may seem like a stretch to link the bloop to a mythical creature like Cthulhu, it's worth noting that the oceans still hold many mysteries that we have yet to uncover. Could the bloop be the sound of a soothing Cthulhu? Or is there some other explanation for this strange and powerful noise? We may never know for sure, but it's a tantalizing possibility that adds to the allure of this enduring mystery. As we search for answers, it's clear that the bloop is a mystery that will continue to haunt us.